Good day guys, and welcome to Abdullah Network. If you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you for coming back. And I also want to congratulate us for reaching 200 subscribers. So I look forward to breaking more miles with you guys. 200 subscribers, so congratulations to us. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Canva to create your logo. So you can just come here and just go to if you are using the app, it has almost the same layout. So just search for logo maker and you click on it. So it opens your logo for your logo maker, so you can start designing, and you can also customize the logo. So in this video I'll be customizing a logo. I'll just look for a logo that has been done before and customize it. So let me see, my channel is about something like food. So you just come here and search your food logo. So you scroll down, so you can click anyone to edit it. Let's just go with this. So when you click on it, you have the option to edit it. You can change everything about it. So whatever your name is, you can just add it here. For example, John's. Can expand it a little. John cooks, or whatever you feel like the name you can give to it. You can delete this one, you can also delete this one. Can leave this, or let me just take it out. I can just delete it. So you can also change it, so it has different layouts. If you don't like this one, you can just pick anyone and edit it. It's the same method and the same explanation you use if you are using the app. So you can also come here. Maybe your channel is about tech logos. Canva has a lot of pre-designed stuff you can use. It has a lot. Let's click on any, edit it, or maybe your channel, or maybe a graph, or you need a graphics logo. So you can just come here and pick any. So hope you guys learned this simple method you can use to create a logo. So if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe, check out other videos, drop your comments, like, share.